So, guys, how we doing? I just want to go over the light bulb lab with you. For those of you that missed class, this is going to be a guide for what you need to get done. So let's start. The objective is you're going to try to light up a light bulb, and you are going to learn about the scientific method as you do this. Okay, what's the process of science, right? So in this space, what I want you to do and what I had you do in class is you typed out a short sentence about what you know about the scientific process, okay? Some of you said, I form a hypothesis and then I test something and I collect data. Some of you said that I just test what I need to test and see where I go, okay? So maybe you type down hypothesis, data, and then I revise based on what I saw. Okay. Don't say exactly what I say because that's plagiarism and I can't give you credit for that. But type everything you know about the scientific process. And if you can't remember, think back to what you did in seventh grade and sixth grade for science and how you solved your problems. Okay. The next thing is this chart right here. Okay. Let me get rid of this real quick. The next thing is this chart. Okay. And what this chart is a guide for these steps, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this tab here. You're going to click on this lab here. You're going to start with one light bulb, one battery, and two wires, okay? Your goal is to get this light bulb to light up just by using the battery and the two wires, okay? When you do that, you're going to say yes, and you're going to write down everything that you saw. For your observations, the way I'm going to grade it is, if I read your observation, I should be able to do exactly what you did just by reading your observation, okay? After you have this first one done, you have free reign to use as many wires, as many batteries, and as many light bulbs as you want, okay? The only thing that I require for you is that you get them all to light up. You get the light bulbs to light up. You tell me what components you used, and you write down your observations in detail, okay? So you need to do that 3 more times, right? The next thing after that, let me change this. The next thing after that is take a screenshot of one of your working pathways. If you can't take a screenshot, take a picture of it with your phone and upload it onto here, okay? For number 5, this right here, don't worry about it. We didn't have time in class to do it for some people. We're not going to do it. I'm not going to grade it, okay? Don't do number 5. Number 6, let me go over number 6 here. Number 6, what we learned was there are a variety of methods to solve a problem, and you can revise your ideas in light of new evidence. That was the really big thing here, where we said we know one thing about the scientific process, which is what we said here. But then after doing this, we discovered, hey, science isn't a one-path thing. There's not one way to do it, right? There's a bunch of different ways to do it. And when we collect data, we learn from that data and we try different things. That's why we had different ways of lighting the light bulb, okay? So get number 6 done right here. Just write this down. Don't do number 7, okay? Don't worry about this chart here. And don't do number 8. This is number 8. So don't do 7 and don't do 8. The last thing you have to do is number 9. I would like you to answer these 3 questions. Sorry, only 2. I would like you to answer these 2 questions right here. What variety of methods do you use to learn how to light bulbs up? And how did your data influence how you revised your pathways, meaning your setup, okay? So I'm going to say setup, right? And that's it, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to post this on Google Classroom. I'm also going to add a guide for which questions you should answer. I'm going to see you again live next Wednesday, which is in a whole week, which is crazy. I hope you guys have an awesome long weekend for Labor Day, and I will see you all soon.